Welcome to How to Make a Money Star. First, get your Money Star materials. You are going to need 5 bills. I'm using $1 bills. You can use any denomination. Part 1, the folding. First, fold your bill in half and then open it back up. On the fold line, fold 3 corners to the center, as shown. Now, fold the point to meet the folded up corner. And now unfold the corner and flip the bill over. After flipping your bill over, fold the point's corners to the center folded line. Repeat that step again. Fold those corners again to the center line. Now turn that bill over and make the point face up. Now fold the bottom under the flap as far as it will go. Now fold the bottom again. Now fold it for a third and final time. Now go back and repeat those first 8 steps with the remaining bills. Once all 5 of your bills are folded up, you are ready for Part 2, the connecting. You will connect these units together by tucking them into the pockets of the other units. Now take one of the units and tuck the left end of it into the pocket of the unit to its left, like so. Tuck the other unit's end into your original unit. Tuck one pointy end underneath and the other on the top, and they'll be connected. Let's see that again. Continue to connect the units together by tucking the ends. Once you do that for all 5 bills, you will have a beautiful money star. you're finally ready for part 3, the gifting. Now find someone special to give that money star to. All right, that's it for me. Take care. Peace.